Hello guys, for another video. In this video I will show you how you can export tags from any product on Redbubble and use them on your designs with simple extension. Also I will show you how I find designs can generate daily sales without effort and without trends and high competition. So let's get started. First, find a successful artist on Redbubble who had winning designs you can inspire from them. For example, I find this very popular artist. I think this is a girl, and probably this girl generates between $3,000 to $10,000 a month from these designs because I see it in this website. So the idea is you must collect a few successful artists accounts on Redbubble and follow them. Every time that artist upload a design, you can spy on it and inspire from that design and create designs similar. And I will give an extension will help you to copy the tags of that design and use them on your designs. For example, I will spy on this artist and all people he follow. Let's choose this one. Click on best selling. Now we just see these designs and make our designs similar, but never copy and paste because you will put your account in danger. So let's check this design. For example, I will inspire from this idea and make a design similar, and I will use Canva for that. Now we're done. This is the design I create. Now let's check the tags. Scroll down. This is the tags, but Redbubble don't give the permission to copy these tags. So open extension market on Google. And type allow select and copy. This is the extension. Now add it to Chrome. back to the design page. Now we can copy these tags like this and paste it in our upload page. But before that, open this website to put the commas to these tags. Paste the tags, click here, and voila. Now you can use these tags on your designs, and of course if you want to change some of these tags, you have the freedom to do so. Okay, now we have the same idea and the same tags, we just wait for any sales coming. And you can do this method with a lot of sellers and increase the chance to find a winning designs can make you a lot of sales. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like, and see you in the next video.